that's the bottom. That's the bottom. Hold on one second. So we started our recording today a little bit late, but we're solving proportions that result in quadratic equations. This is what our first problem looked like at the end, and these are the steps. The stuff in black is what we started with, right? You cross multiply, you get this. This is the same thing as that. Set that equal to 0. Factor, solve. And our final answer is 12 and negative 12. Jordan, what do we do first? You're the man. So are you, Alex. Right? We're cross multiplying. There you go. So we get y times y 2 times 8. There you go. So here we go. We got y squared equals 16. Now let's pick somebody else out. Let's pick somebody else out completely at random, Alex. Alex, what do you do from here? It's the first step of, yeah, we're going to set it equal to 0. We're going to minus 16. Elizabeth, you finished? What answers did you get? Okay, all right, fair. That's fair. And then what do we do after we get it set equal to 0? What's the next step? What does Achilles yell? To Hector. Factor! Right, we got a factor. Factor! We're going to factor, and then we're going to solve. That's all we do, right? I keep forgetting to do that, to make my recording of Montel Jordan. You ever hear that song of This Is How We Do It?
This is how we do it.
I want a recording so that when we get to a part where everybody knows what's up, like how to do a problem. Yep. There you go. There's that one. Now we're going to set this one equal to 0, right? We're going to subtract 4 to each side. Subtract 4. There you go. Let's do this. So we're going to, what's the first step? We're going to cross multiply, right? Jordan, sure. We cross multiplied. That's all we did. I haven't actually done anything except move stuff to the sides that they were supposed to go to. And now I'm going to make it rain. I'm going to distribute. Yep, make it rain. Equals 10. And then I'm going to set it equal to 0, just like we've been doing. Yeah, man. Okay, so now we're at this stage. What do you do next? Nope. Factor. Excelente. Yeah, we're gonna factor, right? Can you think of two numbers that multiply to be negative 10? 2 and 5, and add to be negative 3? Yes. X plus 2 and x minus 5. Excellent. Oh, because negative 5 plus 2 is negative 3. And now we're going to set them equal to 0. Let me just do that in a different color. X minus 2 equals 0. We're going to add 2 to both sides. Add 2, add 2. X equals 2. That's one of them. And then we're going to do x minus 5 to both sides. Sorry, we're going to add 5 to both sides. And then we got that x equals 5. No! We made a mistake. Not we. I made a mistake. X plus 2 equals 0. Subtract 2, subtract 2. X should equal negative 2. My bad, my bad, my B, my B. We got to cross multiply. No matter how complicated the problem looks, whenever you see Two fractions equal to each other, you cross multiply. Now here's going to be the big issue. Look at that. That's illegal. Well, that's going to be bad, right? Look, on the left side, you have a binomial multiplying a binomial. Binomial meaning two terms, right? Binomial times a binomial. On the other side, you've got 4x times 12. 4x times 12 happens to be 48x. But what are we going to do about that left side? You've seen stuff like that before. You've seen stuff. Yeah, you foil it. Make it rain. Okay? X times x is x squared. X times 7 is 7x. Negative 7 times x is negative 7x. Negative 7 times that is negative 49. So look what it becomes. It becomes x squared minus 49 equals 48x. Now, if you're in the honors class or you're thinking about it or you like math, you actually don't even need to multiply it out. Some people, if you're in the honors class, can say, oh, that's the difference of two squares. That always multiplies back to be something that looks like this. And they'll just do it in their head. Yeah, yeah. If you become good enough at it, you can. Now, what do we do next? What's the next step? Yeah, we're going to be minusing 48x from both sides. Minusing 48x from both sides. Yeah, we're going to set it equal to 0. And then after you set it equal to 0, what do? What does Achilles yell? Yeah, factor! We're going to factor. Can you think of two numbers that multiply to be negative 49 but add to be negative 48?
Yeah. 1 times.
Yes, very nice. You're so smart, Jess. Minus 49, we're going to do plus 1. And then we're just going to solve it, just like we've been doing. Right? X minus 49 equals 0. We're going to add 49 to both sides. X equals 49. There you go. That's one of them. And then we're going to do x plus 1 equals 0. We're going to subtract 1. Subtract 1. X equals negative 1.